Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me present to you the new chapter of Raise a Crazy Beauty, chapter 28. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Princess Paimon and General Shaorong. Finally, the two of them are already meet, repeating the same mistakes in the past life. The path that chosen in this life. So, what if I love her, even if it's true? Love I can't. Right now, she stood up. She dropped down, paintbrush. It turns out, it was General Sharo approaching her from the back. Well, the two of them seems to be paused. They become speechless. Moreover, as Princess Baiman is really hesitating. But right now, General Shaorong is approaching her and said to her, "Isn't this paintbrush is mine?" Well, Princess Baiman, she really used this. Well, she already said that General Shaorong uses that paintbrush to paint her face and also is trying to use that pen to make a letter for her. Well, she's been caught on the act. Princess Baiman said to her, "You, don't laugh." But right now, General Shaorong, she can help herself but to laugh for her. And now, the two of them become funny. Well, I don't laugh at you. I don't laugh at you. I don't like you. I don't love you either. Okay, you don't like it. Also, don't laugh. But right now, General Sharon continued to tease her and said to her, "You stole my fan. Do you want to taste it?" Oh, right now, General Sharon, she really want to tease her so much. That's why she moved closer to her. Now, pointing her. Try what? Princess Baiman, really surprised. Well, General Sharon, she's been tricky towards her. Now, she was referring to the paintbrush that she already been used. Right now, she want to tease her because she used it. You don't want just to be so angry. There are more interesting things. Right now, General Sharon continued to tease her. Now, she's grasping her hands. She lay down. Even though she wanted to refuse, right now, General Sharon is acting like a child towards her. And it really makes sense to the princess. Now, she's being teased by General Sharon. Such a strong strength, it seems that Paimon is really anxious. Well, General Sharon, even though she wanted to tease her, but right now, she was really concerned to Princess Paimon. Even, you don't want to try it out, and you know, I'll make you happy. Oh, this general. She really want to do it, but right now, you hurt me last time. I will definitely not make you feel the pain. Oh, she's been tricky. Right now, she's provoking Princess Paimon. Why don't you try it? Well, she was asking again, but General Sharon, take care of yourself first. What should I do now? If you have no military power, who will care about you? Princess Paimon said to General Sharon. But right now, there's someone outside. Xiao, it turns out, General Sharon has a new suitor outside. Well, can she really? Accepted that man first. Well, let's see and let's find it. What's the matter? General Sharon said. You see, one studied in the West and slept in the West. Oh, I admire Miss Xiao and take Miss Xiao as an example. Turns out Princess Paimon, General Sharon and hers are hiding right now. General Sharon answered and said, "Oh." But, looking at the condition, it seems to be not in good, especially Princess Paimon right now. She wants to hide it. General Sharon still not showing herself to anyone. General Sharon stood up when I also become a flawed person. It seems that General Sharon to reject all the man that had been tutoring her. She just gave her an order and then she stormed into the forest. Well, at this moment, General Sharon still not facing anyone except for Princess Paimon. The two of them, it seems to be in awkward condition. I've spent a lot of effort these days on the maintenance thinking that you might like it. Only if you can get a half of the word of appreciation, this is enough. Oh, General Sharon, do you really think that Princess Paimon is really gonna give her attention? That's why Vasti, she was really waiting for her. And she was right. Princess Paimon came to her just to see her and also know her condition. Although right now the two of them do anything else to tease each other, to provoke each other, and also to love each other. At least now, both of them are not restraining herself. Especially Princess Paimon. Are you not under house arrest by the Emperor? How? I'm here to put you under the house arrest, General Sharon said to her. She really wanted to make her laugh. Princess Paimon was really serious. Are you not afraid of the Nine Kings? Presumably, Sharon also knows very well that what I am referring to. Now, at least the two of them have a tacit understanding about the condition and situation. The secret alliance between Sharon and Juawang in private into the previous life, and I will choose him just for you. Right now, Princess Paimon said, chapter. Oh, is she referring to the previous life they've been through, but right now, it seems that the two of them they are both reincarnated from the past life. What's so good about the ways? It is work my help with him. General Sharon said to Princess Paimon. Right now, Princess Paimon, she was only listening at her. General Sharon said to her, first is your family. Especially about her family. Of course, they've been holding a military power of the clan of Sharon. That's why Princess Paimon is after her. Be careful, I was just here to help you. No matter who you choose, I can let him sit in that position. Even if you die, you will never regret it. Oh, General Sharon is really loyal to Princess Paimon until this now. You really need to fulfill too. The two of them, maybe they will be together. They need to face a lot of things. Let's hope they become fruitful. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Hey guys, membership already open. For those who want to join and support, you can join by clicking the join membership button. Thank you, bye.